Today I'm taking a look at Amazon Basics Baby Shampoo. Now, it does say it's tear-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, sulfate, and dye-free. Most important one to me is tear-free because I have fairly sensitive eyes, so I'm probably going to be the best one to test this to find out if this actually makes your eyes burn. It does come with a security seal. Always nice to know that nothing happened to this before I got it. It does have a slight fragrance. It's almost like a sweet rose, something like that. It's very nice. See, when I move it around, it is a fairly thick consistency and fairly soft on the skin. So even without water, it is sudsing up. Now, I'm going to do something dumb, but I want to find out if this burns my eyes. So the answer is yes, it does. So do not get this in your baby's eyes. Now, it is worth mentioning that a concentrated dose of this into your eyes is probably too much. It is probably a lot more sensitive as it is diluted with water, but it is also worth mentioning that not all parents are good at dosing, so just keep that in mind.